All right. The next thing we're going to do, oops, didn't get this set up, is we're going to look at systems of equations. The basic idea of system of equations is you have a graph, Cartesian plane, and you have one line on it and another line. That's the definition of a system, is multiple equations. We are not dealing with inequalities anymore. That was when you had less than, greater than. We're not doing that. These are all going to be equations. That's why it's system of equations, which means they are all equal. Y equals something. In this case, we have two linear relations. What we always want in most math stuff is solutions. The solution to a system is the point of intersection, the POI. One skill you need to have is to graph it and be able to see that point of intersection. That is when the X and the Y values of that point are true for both lines. Sometimes you get multiple lines. So for example, you're going to have to deal with parabolas that have a linear relation in the system as well. Or you might have to deal with a situation where there's two parabolas. Oops. And that might get you two solutions. Two solutions is okay. And really, we're used to hitting two solutions because when we graphed parabolas, we got two roots. The same idea happens. Because it's x squared, when we root it, we're going to get a positive number and a negative number. That's going to give us our two solutions, our 2 points of intersection. We'll talk about how to actually do this in a minute, in another video rather. But you need to know that when you have a system, it means that there's multiple equations. They can be linear and quadratic, or two quadratic. It can even be like five equations in one. But we're mostly going to deal with two. That's the big thing here.